Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access the accessibility settings for your Google slide decks. So if you go to Tools and you go almost all the way to the bottom, Accessibility, this little window is going to pop up, and what this window allows you to do is it allows you to gauge and determine whether or not users who have accessibility features that they need, like let's say they're hard of hearing or hard of sight, how they will interact with your slide decks. If you want to turn on screen reader support, so somebody maybe is hard of seeing or hard of sight and they need something maybe read aloud to them, they might have a function like that on their device, and so this would enable them to use it on your slide decks. Or if it's hard to see and they have a screen magnifier, you can click on this box and that will enable them to use screen magnifier software. And so really what this does is this really opens up the size of your audience to include members who may not be able to interact with your presentation as is and maybe need some additional support in order to do so. You don't want to leave those people out.